Hey, kia ora whānau. Kia ora whānau. Kia ora whānau. You're back with Mr. Rookz. And today, the toasted cheese sandwich. We got a bit of ham, cheese, butter, some bread, frying pan, slice some cheese with the smeg. So just slice it however thick you want, whānau, however thick you want. Using my smeg knife again, I just use the back end of it to butter my bread. Those are done. I just flip that over there, put the cheese in. Sometimes I like to crack an egg in it, and I think I'm gonna do that. I got an egg staring at me. Yeah, you're going in the sandwich too, buddy. Look at that, beautiful, nice sort of thick piece there. I like it hanging out the side. I'm going to cut a hole in this bread because that's where my egg is going to sit. While I've been sitting there thinking that my pan was heating up, it wasn't. And someone, and I know who you are, I won't name you, the switch for the oven was turned off. There I had it, was on high, look, and I thought my pan was heating up, but it wasn't. I'm going to turn the oven on, I'm going to switch it on, heat up that pan, and we're going to get cooking. Okay. And with my trusty Santoku knife, I'm just going to flick the switch. Oh, it's a beautiful knife, whānau. I love that knife. Here we go, got my egg ready, got my bread ready, got that ready. It goes, it's on, we're ready to cook. So I'm just going to put a little bit of butter in the pan. She's heating up. Look at that, whānau. You tell your kids not to use spoons and forks on the fry pan. And that's why. That's why. Oh, hey. They'll be turning 18 one day. And they'll be moving on. The next whānau. Grab our bread. Put it on there. And I'm just going to crack that egg in there. Cracking the egg in. And there it goes, whānau. The egg sitting in there. Awesome. I'm going to put the ham on top of that. Cheese on top of that. On top, and then cap it off with our other bread. And now we just wait for the egg to cook, the cheese to melt, and the crust to get nice and crispy. So it's time, whānau. It's that time. Our cheese is melted, our egg is cooked, and we're ready to bring her off the fry pan. Oh, the crust is golden brown, and yeah, get it off the fry pan. Give us a little look before I cut through it, and then time to eat. Oh, look at that. Egg is cooked, ham is looking good, al dente, cheese, let's go. So we're just gonna cut into it. A cheese tasty sandwich with the egg. Paiana. So yeah, whānau. Get that fry pan out and try it the old school way. It's just it just tastes better, feels better, and you take more care, more love. So that's the main ingredient, whānau. Out of all the videos I make, I always miss the main ingredient. The main ingredient is love. And taste it. Okay? If it's done with love, you can taste it. So yeah, whānau, that is the main ingredient out of all. Aroha, love, alofa, you know? That's it, whānau. Cheers to you, Happy New Year's. So yeah, whānau, that's me. I'm out. Mr. Rookz with another one. Peace.